What's up, guys? So today I'm doing the bumper tuck on the Infiniti G37. So what I did was I got me some screws that kind of look like this. They got washers on them, and what I'm doing is to make a bumper tuck on a G37 is you want to get some screws like these, and you want to screw them in on the metal what do you call that, the bumper support. I think that's what it is, right? Yeah, bumper support. You want to drill them into the bumper support, and it'll look like that, and that's how you'll be able to do a bumper tuck on the Infiniti G37. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'll show you guys more or less what it'll look like after. Not too shabby. It's gonna look good. The exhaust is gonna come out a little bit more better, right? It's gonna be more open. And usually they do it on the 350Zs. I did it on the 350Z HR before when I used to own one, but now I'm doing it on the G37. I'll record the outcome after that. Until then. So that's pretty much how you do a bumper tuck on a Infiniti G37. You grab yourself like 5 screws or 6. You drill them all in order. Drill them all in order, and you'll get yourself a little baby bumper tuck. For the exhaust to come out a little bit more aggressive, I guess. Not too shabby. That's the final product of a bumper tuck on an Infiniti G37. Not that noticeable, but it's something, right? Not too bad. And this is what it looks like underneath when you drill in those screws on the bumper support. It's pretty simple. Literally just drill them, and that's it.